Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired April 14th, 2025. The topic of that episode was Truth Needs No Defense. Swami, your thoughts?
Truth protects when the false belief in two powers is overcome. The kingdom of heaven is at hand. However, we must be conscious of this spiritual fact to activate it in experience.
Looking for a more reliable protection plan? Listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriyoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamidam